Hi everyone, I'm Wafalanga and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we'll be discussing about the interrogative adjective, that is the fifth kind of adjective. So let's start. What is the definition of interrogative adjectives? When we ask questions with the help of WH words, and what are those WH words? Which, whose, and what are called interrogative adjectives. If you remember, we have already discussed about who, whom, whose, which, and what as interrogative pronouns. And how can you differentiate that? What is the difference between interrogative pronouns and adjectives? So I will, have the link of interrogative pronouns in the description box where you'll be understanding how you are going to use them as interrogative pronouns and as interrogative adjectives. See, in interrogative pronouns we learned that which are used at those WH words which are used at the beginning of interrogative sentences, but here you will use them after positive sentences. This is the difference between the interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. So let's have the definition once again and we will discuss the definite examples. When we ask questions with the help of WH words, and what are the WH words? Who and whom you will remove. There will be three only in number: which, whose, and what. When we ask questions with the help of who, which, whose, and what are called interrogative adjectives. Now, example number one is which movie do you like? Claire, if you say which is your favorite color, uh, which is your book, then it is used as interrogative. But after them, when you bring any noun directly, so here which is working as interrogative adjective, adding something in the meaning of movie and asking a question. So which movie do you like? That is used as interrogative adjective. And after that we have got next example: whose car is that? Now whose is used for possession and adding something in the meaning of car, and question is for the property. Clear? Whose property is that? And who is the owner for this? So whose car is that is known as your interrogative adjective. Next one is what time is it? And what is adding something in the meaning of time and asking about the time, so that is known as interrogative adjective. Keep in your mind, when after which, whose, and what the nouns come, these noun are coming, so that is known as interrogative pronouns, adjectives. But when you put after them the helping verbs, like which is your favorite color, whose is this book, whose is this car, or whose is that car, and what is time, so they are used as pronouns. So you can differentiate them. When after them the helping verbs are used directly, they are known as interrogative adjectives. But when you use after them nouns, then they will be called interrogative adjectives. So hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.